Hey guys, so get ready for quite possibly the easiest modification you can do of all time. This requires no tools at all, just your hands, and is super easy to do. Takes just a few minutes, and the difference it makes is incredible. You don't realize how bad those orange reflectors look until they're gone. If you have a darker M3 like mine, blue or black, those orange reflectors really stick out like a sore thumb, and this makes it look so much cleaner. Luckily, those of you in Europe don't have to worry about this. I bought these for about $78 from mnotech.com, but obviously you can get them anywhere else. A lot of sites carry them. I'll put mine in the description, but these just happen to be the cheapest at the time when I was looking. So let's get started. So as you can see, you just have to get your fingers up underneath it. You might have to use your nails a little just to pry it out. It doesn't hurt your hands at all. Then the new one just pops right on in. Pretty self-explanatory. I'll go ahead and show you guys the other side just if you want to see from a different angle. But other than that, that's really it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them. So thanks for watching guys, and take care.